Mastering the art of would in past habits. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we are going to discuss an exciting topic from the intermediate grammar section, using would for describing past habits and routines. More specifically, we're going to focus on the topic of questions with would. Understanding this will not only enhance your grammar skills but will also enrich your fluency and naturalness in English conversation. Let's dive in. Would is a modal verb often used to talk about past habits or routines. When we use would in questions, it becomes an effective tool to ask about these habits or routines in the past. It's like asking, what used to happen? Here's an example. Would you always go to the cinema on weekends? This question is asking if the person had a habit of going to the cinema on weekends in the past. Notice that we've used would plus the base form of the verb. When we form questions with would, we typically follow this structure. Would plus subject plus verb, base form. We use this pattern to ask about past habits or routines. For instance, would she study late into the night? Would they take a walk in the park after dinner? Remember, while would does refer to past habits, it doesn't specify when in the past. It could be yesterday, last year, or any time before now. We can also form negative questions with would, which are typically used to express surprise that a certain habit or routine did not occur in the past. Here's the structure: wouldn't plus subject plus verb, base form. For example, wouldn't you normally have coffee in the morning? Wouldn't they usually play soccer on Sundays? These questions imply that the speaker expected these actions to have happened as they were regular habits or routines. When answering questions with would, we can use short answers like, yes, I would, or no, I wouldn't. For more detailed responses, we can use would to keep the conversation going. For example, in response to, would you always go to the cinema on weekends? You could say, yes, I would. I loved catching the latest films. There you have it, friends. You've just unlocked a new level in your English language skills by understanding and mastering questions with would. Keep practicing this in your daily conversation and written English to get a good hold of it. Remember, language learning is all about practice and consistency. Don't forget to stay tuned for our next topic, where we continue to explore the fascinating world of English grammar. Until then, keep learning and happy studying.